Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Today's project involves, well, a whole ton of money and a whole lot of time. If you look at these boxes here, you can see that I have a bathtub and I have a shower surround, and then I have a vanity and a sink, along with various and sundry other caulks and valves and tape and caulking guns, and just in general a lot of stuff that I'm going to have to use to install a new bathroom. So you're gonna have to bear with me, guys. We're gonna cut back to about 2 videos a week, at least for the next 3 weeks, and we'll see how we do. If I can slip another one in there now and then, I will, but chances are I'm gonna be busy running plumbing and setting tubs and doing all this stuff. So bear with me, and we'll be back to you. Thanks for watching.